Hello, thank you for watching my project presentation video. The intelligent whiteboard system is designed to clear the portrait when the lecturer is teaching in front of the whiteboard. First, let me initialize and compile the intelligent whiteboard system. I have to set up a time span for running the system, and then I have to set up the range of the whiteboard. Now you can see that the words cannot be curved by my big head. I developed this project in C++, mainly because of its high performance capabilities, which are very important for handling real-time video streams. The core workflow is that we use OpenCV to capture video from the camera, and then accelerate real-time project detection with OpenVINO and YOLO to remove people from the scene. After that, we apply OpenCV image processing to detect the whiteboard region, correct the perspective, enhance the content, and finally deliver a clean and unblocked digital whiteboard. The system is multi-threaded to keep the video pipeline as efficient as possible. If you are interested in the benefit, please contact me by email or by LinkedIn to search for Guangdong Fan. Thank you.